Welcome to the NASA Ames PAH spectroscopic database and this series of video tutorials. This is the first in the series of 4 tutorials. This one focuses on exploring the contents of the database. Our site is located at www.astrochem.org/PAHdb, where you enter on the main page. You can start exploring by choosing either the experimental or the theoretical database. We will be exploring the theoretical database here today. It has already been selected, as you can see from the radio buttons. There are several ways you can search. By entering C = 50 in the search box and hitting search presents you with an overview of all the PAHs in the database with 50 carbon atoms. The information in the overview will be discussed in the second tutorial titled Information in the Database. You can also search using relax criteria. For example, entering carbon EQ50 will result in the same overview. There are several search criteria. You can also search for PAHs with a given charge. By entering C = 50, charge = 0, only the neutral PAHs with 50 carbon atoms are presented. Again, the relax criteria, C = 50 space neutral, will produce the same overview. For a list of the criteria, go to the Advanced Search and explore the different drop-down menus. Choosing C = 50 from the drop-down menus and setting charge to neutral indeed returns the same overview. You can also explore the database more intuitively, and you do this by using the Browse function. Hitting Browse presents you an overview of the PAHs present in the selected database using PAH structures as icons. Hovering over an icon will show you a blow-up of the structure, and clicking the blue link directs you to an overview of the information available on that particular PAH. The PAHs can also be viewed as a list, which shows more information per PAH. This is the end of the first tutorial. Be sure to visit the Help section, take the tour, and read the manual for additional information. If you have any feedback, please use the information form under Help on the website. We hope to see you in our next tutorial titled Information in the Database.